We have some amazing news for you. We at ESEDS School of Design is very excited to partner with Techno India University, the biggest global university of West Bengal, to launch an amazing programs in fashion design and sustainability, Bachelor of Design and Master of Design. Both our UG and PG programs in the sustainability and fashion domain will not only integrate sustainability and ethics, but will also have artificial intelligence and technology integrated into the entire design program to create global change makers for the fashion industry, both nationally and internationally. With our expert mentorship, professional mentored project, live project, competition, internship, our student will not only be the global change maker, but will also be the leader when it comes to fashion, but responsibly. The global fashion industry is going through some major shift towards sustainability, be it their focus on sustainable production, design, consumption, or resources. Our design graduates with sustainable driven program in fashion design will surely be at the forefront of this shift. With sustainability at its heart, we want to create the next generation of global change makers for the fashion industry. Join ESEDS and be the change maker what you are.